Introduction to JSON. What is JavaScript object notation? First off, let's start with what JSON is not. JSON is not a markup language. It is not dependent on the JavaScript language. It doesn't require JavaScript to use it. So what is JSON? JSON is a data interchange format. A data interchange format is text that is used to import or export between platforms. Another example of a data interchange format would be XML. JSON is programming language independent. For example, Company X provides a JSON REST API for their products. Their web API is written with the ASP.NET Web API framework, though their clients don't know that. All their clients know that it is a JSON REST API. Client Y makes calls to this API for a subset of JSON products in their Java code and serializes the JSON into Java objects using a JSON Java library. Another client, Client Z, uses jQuery to get a set of JSON products from Company X's Web API, and after parsing the JSON string into a JavaScript object, uses jQuery to present product data on the screen, all client side. You can see that Company X did not use JavaScript at any time. Client Y also did not use JavaScript. Client Z did use JavaScript and was able to do it all client side with a little help from jQuery. If you didn't completely understand everything in that example, that's okay. The main point of the example was to illustrate how JSON is used as a data interchange format and how it is programming language independent. So after all that, you might be wondering, if it's not JavaScript dependent, then why is it called JavaScript object notation? It's called JavaScript object notation because it is based on the object literal notation of JavaScript. Because JSON is based on JavaScript native objects, a JSON string can be converted directly to a JavaScript object. The data structures and conventions that JSON is made up of make it friendly for programmers of languages like C#, Python, Java, and more. Due to the friendly nature of JSON, more and more libraries and tools are being built that are extending beyond client-side AJAX interactions with JSON. JSON is being used for NoSQL databases. There are JSON libraries for both client-side and server-side languages. You can now build an entire application, front-end, back-end, and database, all using and interacting with JSON. This course will cover JSON syntax, JSON data types to include string, number, boolean, array, and object, JSON security concerns, JSON and AJAX, JSON and JavaScript frameworks, JSON in web APIs, JSON and NoSQL databases, JSON and server-side framework libraries.